The sixth-generation fighter is expected to be a stealthy, supersonic, semi-autonomous aircraft that can maneuver through heavily armed enemy airspace without being detected by radar, jam enemy command and control systems using electronic warfare weapons, gather, analyze, and transmit targeting data over vast areas of terrain in milliseconds, and achieve and maintain air superiority to launch attacks as needed. The aircraft will probably use artificial intelligence, AI, to power its processing and computing, launch and control networks of neighboring mini-drones, fire air-launched hypersonic missiles, and then destroy enemy aircraft by using fighter jets equipped with precision laser weaponry, all the while moving too fast and stealthy for detection. The largely black and unknown sixth-generation aircraft, a stealth platform that is already in the air, is therefore shrouded in an intriguing, enigmatic, and reportedly extremely promising cloud of possibilities that could revolutionize the fields of speed, artificial intelligence, sensing, weapons, and overall air supremacy. The NGAD's demonstrator aircraft have been in the air for more than a year. The first time this happened, the public was uncertain that an aircraft had truly gone to the skies. Therefore, the development captivated the attention of the world. Because it would probably require less refueling, a European NGAD might be extremely agile, fast, and purpose-built for total air superiority across the entire threat spectrum. A major factor driving the urgent need for a sixth-generation aircraft such as NGAD is the current threat environment, which includes the appearance of the Russian Su-57 and Chinese J-20 and J-31, though there's no conclusive evidence that these platforms are better than the U.S. fifth-generation fighters. The existence of the Air Force F-22 and F-35 undoubtedly contributes to what the Pentagon will undoubtedly perceive as an added necessity to keep ahead of formidable adversaries. Even though China and Russia now have a large numerical disadvantage over fifth-generation aircraft, sixth-generation weapons makers are nonetheless likely to be fascinated by the distinct features and particular performance metrics of Russian and Chinese platforms. If a revolutionary sixth-generation aircraft is equipped with enhanced F-35 design, long-range and highly advanced targeting sensors that allow it to see threats from beyond and eliminate enemy targets with precision strike far away before it is even noticed, it will greatly outperform existing aircraft of the same generation. The platform will be able to collect and interpret the time-sensitive data required to move in, attack, and destroy a threat due to its capability to network with ground command centers, drones, other fighter jets, ground vehicles, Navy ships, and even satellites. It is anticipated that NGAD will remain a research project for the ensuing years, with goals of acquiring production aircraft or other systems by 2030. Will the NGAD outperform China and Russia's fifth-gen fighter by mile, or just a bigger, improved, and better F-35? Write your comment below. If you want to watch videos like this, click any one of the 2 videos featured before this video ends. Enjoy watching. This ends our video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.